welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset Huawei p30, also called, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, Leica. First, make sure that the phone is powered off. Press and hold both keys at the same time, the volume up and the power button. Once you see the screen come on, remove both buttons. Not when it vibrates, but when you see Huawei, then you remove both buttons, your fingers off of both buttons. Once you see this screen, scroll down or just press the wipe data factory reset. It will ask you to push yes, wipe data factory reset, and there you go. Once you see the lines get filled and it gets to 100%, the phone will be wiped clean as if it was brand new. You see it reset, reboot system now. Again, just press it with your finger. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.